A synonym is a word with the same or a similar meaning as another word. For example, big and large, buy and purchase. Buy is more informal and purchase is more formal. Keep in mind that some synonyms in this lesson might not be perfect synonyms. There may be slight differences in meaning and connotation. For example, the words smart and wise. Both of them mean intelligent, but the word wise also implies that the person has additional good judgment and deep perception about life. Synonyms are often used in different collocations too. For example, we can describe either a person or an idea as brilliant, but only a person can be astute. Powerful, potent, and firm are synonyms for strong. A person with a strong voice can have a powerful voice, but not a potent voice. A strong alcoholic drink can be potent, but not firm. It's good to look at example sentences with these words. You can do that by visiting sentences.yourdictionary.com. Synonyms for smart: bright, sharp, brilliant, astute, wise. Synonyms for stupid: dumb, idiotic, dim-witted, slow, dense. Synonyms for essential: crucial, critical, vital, integral, indispensable. Synonyms for irrelevant: inconsequential, useless, meaningless, trivial, insignificant. Synonyms for excellent: magnificent, phenomenal, top-notch, world-class, outstanding. Synonyms for acceptable: fitting, suitable, satisfactory, adequate, appropriate. Synonyms for awful: horrible, abominable, repulsive, despicable, atrocious. Synonyms for interesting: captivating, enchanting, fascinating, enthralling, intriguing. Synonyms for boring: dull, tiresome, mundane, humdrum, monotonous. Synonyms for uncertain: doubtful, questionable, dubious, far-fetched, unproven. Synonyms for new: modern, contemporary, up-to-date, novel, fresh. Synonyms for old: outdated, antiquated, obsolete, archaic, old-fashioned. Synonyms for easy: simple, child's play, straightforward, effortless, uncomplicated. Synonyms for difficult: challenging, daunting, taxing, tough, tricky. Synonyms for strong: powerful, intense, firm, solid, potent. Synonyms for weak: frail, feeble, shaky, flimsy, fragile. Synonyms for huge: colossal, gigantic, astronomical, immense, gargantuan. Synonyms for tiny: minuscule, itsy-bitsy, microscopic, dinky, minute. Synonyms for many: copious, abundant, numerous, ample, bountiful. Synonyms for a bit: smidgen, dash, iota, pinch, shred. Synonyms for excess: glut, plethora, wealth, surplus, overabundance.